Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change dark theme in TradingView application. Turn on dark mode in Android and iPhone means mobile users. So the steps are same for both the devices. So you can firstly open your application. After that here you can click on menu in your bottom navigation bar. After pressing the menu button, click on setting icon. And then once you press the setting icon, here you will see a first option is called theme option. Then press it, and now here you have an option to select the light or dark theme. Now if you want to change to dark theme, simple press the dark, and now the dark theme will be enabled. Disable it, press the light one. Okay, also you have an option to change the default theme, means it will automatically adapt your device theme and then select. If my device theme is dark, it will change to dark. If my device theme is light, it will change to light. Okay, goodbye.